Hey, it's Dave with a quick video to significantly improve the quality of responses that you're getting from ChatGPT. Now, I'm just working on the slides here for my Mastering ChatGPT for Small Business Masterclass, and I'm going to draw your attention down to this slide just here. Now, this is a visual representation of all of ChatGPT's knowledge. So imagine everything that ChatGPT knows lives inside this circle. Now, when you ask ChatGPT a question, it jumps in here, uses its algorithm, and then shoots out a generalized response, taking into consideration everything that it has access to. Now, the tip here to significantly improve the output is to first train the AI prior to asking your question. So you can actually tell the AI what's important to you and information about you that then gets it to focus when you ask its question on only the bits that are relevant to you. If you tell it a bit about who you are, what your target audience is, and what you're looking to do, it can ignore a lot of the information that may not be relevant. And it can only then focus in on the areas that it knows it's going to help get you the best possible response. So the tip here is to make sure that you're training the AI. Now, how do you do that? We use things called AI priming documents. These are swipe files that we've preloaded with things like our target audience, your biography, your writing style, your product summaries, all of that sort of information. You have it ready to go in AI priming documents so that they can be preloaded in to start to train the AI prior to asking your question. Now, if you do this, it will significantly improve the quality of your results. Now, let me give you an example of how you can create the information that will load into your AI priming document. And this is the type of thing that we'll be sharing with the participants of the masterclass. And also, if you're watching this and you're attending, please bring some of your writing, as in a writing sample. Maybe it's an article you've written or an email or something that we can use for this writing analysis particular prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works. I'm going to copy this prompt here. Again, we'll be sharing this document, and I'm going to copy it directly into ChatGPT, and I'm going to hit OK. It's going to go away and do its thing. Firstly, I'm just telling it that I want you to be a writing analyst, and I'm going to give you some writing to analyze. Let me know when you're ready to go, which it's done. Now, I'm going to grab a sample from my book, Systemology, and I'm just going to grab a couple of sections here, and we'll copy and paste that in. Now, I'm going to paste this in here, and then we'll let it do its thing. It's going to go ahead and start analyzing the writing. Once it's done, the trick is you go ahead and you copy this analysis and you load it into your AI priming doc, and then you can use that at a future date to help train the AI prior to asking your request. Now, again, if you do this, it will significantly improve your output. Now, depending on when you're watching this, you may consider joining our ChatGPT masterclass. You can head to systemology.com/ChatGPT webinar to learn more. And either way, hopefully this tip helps you get more from your responses in ChatGPT. I make videos like this all the time, so if you like it, make sure that you give it the thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe, and no doubt I'll catch you in the next video.